Welcome to this tutorial on how to use a Chime temporary card in store. A Chime temporary card is a digital card that can be used for purchases while you wait for your physical Chime debit card to arrive. To get started, you will need to have a Chime account and the Chime mobile app installed on your device. First, open the Chime mobile app and log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the card section of the app where you will see an option to view your temporary card. Select this option to view your temporary card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Before making a purchase in store, ensure that you have sufficient funds in your Chime account to cover the cost of the purchase. You can check your account balance in the Chime app. To make a purchase in store using your Chime temporary card, provide the merchant with the card details. You can do this by reading out the card number, expiration date, and security code. Alternatively, you can show the merchant the temporary card details on your device. Some merchants may request to see a physical card or a photo identification to verify the purchase. In this case, you can explain that you are using a temporary card and provide the merchant with the card details. It is essential to keep your temporary card details secure to avoid unauthorized transactions. Do not share your temporary card details with anyone and ensure that your device is password protected. When your physical Chime debit card arrives, you can activate it in the Chime app and start using it for purchases. Your temporary card will be deactivated once your physical card is activated. In conclusion, using a Chime temporary card in store is a convenient way to make purchases while you wait for your physical card to arrive. By following these steps and keeping your temporary card details secure, you can enjoy a seamless shopping experience with Chime.